Hi everyone. Come to comfortable seated position. Right leg front. Roll your shoulders back. Relax your shoulders. Rest your palms on your knees. Tuck your chin. Tall spine. Close your eyes. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Now, inhale, fill your lungs, fill your belly, exhale, open your mouth, side out. Couple more like this. Circle your head, inhale, half circle, exhale, back to center. 3 in one direction, 3 in the opposite way. Now circle your shoulders. 3, inhale up to your ears, exhale, roll back and back to center. So like this, 3 in one direction, 3 in the opposite way. Other side, inhale, exhale. Now palms on your knees. So inhale, sitting cat cow. Bring your chest front, look up, shoulder blades closer to each other. Exhale, tuck your chin, curl your spine, tuck your belly in. Inhale, exhale. Couple more. Last one. Inhale, tall spine, both arms up, look up. Exhale, right hand down onto the mat, left arm over top of your head, bend over to right side. Inhale, back to center, arms up, look up, exhale, other side. Inhale, release, tall spine, exhale, left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you, tall spine, exhale, twist over to right side. Inhale, release, tall spine, exhale, other side, right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you, twist. Slowly release. Invite your body to child resting pose. Big toes touch, knees apart. Sink your hip back onto your heels. Rest your forehead down to the mat. Extend your arms. Relax your muscles. Relax your whole body. Relax your forehead. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Inhale, lift your elbows, lift your head, walk your hands over to right side and relax your forehead. Inhale, walk back to center, exhale to left side. Inhale, release and come to all fours, tabletop. Your knees in hip distance just below your hip. Untuck your toes, hands just below your shoulders in the shoulder width. Spread out your fingers, tuck your belly in, neutral spine. Inhale, cat cow pose, belly down, chest front, look up. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, angry cat pose. Last one. Now, untuck your toes, curl your toes down, right leg out, toes facing down, left arm, thumb up, tuck your belly in, balancing tabletop. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, if possible, bend your extended back leg, catch the foot. Tabletop bow pose. Roll your shoulder back, open your chest. Slowly release and extend that leg and extend left arm. Now, root your left hand down and release your right foot down and change your left leg perpendicular like this. Right foot down like this. Modified side plank. Right arm up over top of your head. If available, lift your right leg up. Slowly bend that extended right leg and catch the foot. Roll your right shoulder back, open your chest front. Slowly release. Release that right foot down. Bring your body up. Inhale, both arms up. Look up. Exhale, slide your right hand along with your right leg, gate pose. So bend your body over to right side. Slowly release and come back to tabletop. Now other side. Left leg out, right arm front. Tuck your belly in. Deep inhale and exhale through your nose. Now bend your extended left leg, catch the foot, roll your right shoulder back and slowly release. Release your hand and leg. Now root your right hand down onto the mat and change your right leg to perpendicular. Extend your left leg like this. Left arm up to the sky over top of your head. If available, lift your left leg up. Modified side plank, other side. Slowly bend that extended leg, catch the foot, roll your left shoulder back, open your chest front. Slowly release that foot. Bring your body up. Inhale, arms up, look up, exhale, slide your left hand along with your left leg, bend over to left side. Gate pose. Slowly release. Come to tabletop and invite your body to first downward dog. Your feet in hip distance. Spread your fingers as good as possible. Pedal your heels one by one. Now inhale, lift your right leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip. Your shoulders should parallel to the ground. Slowly Inhale, level up your hip, extend your leg, and exhale, release your right foot down. Inhale, lift your left leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip. Inhale, level up your hip, extend your left leg. Exhale, release your left foot down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, jump to the front. Now catch your big toes with your peace fingers. Head hangs heavy. Relax your whole body. Relax your forehead. Deep inhale and exhale through your nose. Gently release. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, open your mouth, side out, forward fold. Inhale. Inhale, last one. Exhale. Bend your knee. Slowly come to all the way to standing pose. Roll your shoulders back. Both arms up. Palms touching each other. Little bit back bend. Exhale to heart center, Anjali Mudra. So inhale, up, exhale to heart center. Last one, inhale, exhale. Now inhale, back bend, exhale, all the way to forward fold. Inhale, send your left foot back, left knee down, untuck your toes, arms up, little bit back bend. Exhale, release your both hands on either side of your right foot, untuck your left foot and send your right foot back to downward dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Untuck your toes. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, send your left foot front beside your left thumb. Release your right knee down. Untuck your right toes. Arms up, back bend. Inhale, exhale. Release both hands on either side of your left foot. Bring your right foot to front. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, back to heart center. Now, downward dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot to the front beside your right thumb and adjust your back foot to warrior one. Front and back heels should be aligned. Bend your front leg, if possible, 90 degrees. Your ankle should below your right knee. Square up your hip, your body facing front, arms up. Relax your shoulders, warrior one. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, warrior two. Extend your both arms and your gaze over to your right hand. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, reverse warrior. Slide your left hand along with your left side. Send your right arm up. Look up. Reverse warrior. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, side angle pose. Right hand on your right knee. Left arm up to the sky. If possible, over top of your head. Left palm facing down. Gently release back to warrior two. Inhale, exhale, extend, lengthen your right leg. Next, we are going to do triangle pose. Inhale, bring your body to the front, right side. Exhale, windmill your right hand down and left arm up to the sky. Triangle pose. Slowly release. Now adjust your right foot facing this long edge of your mat, like this wide-legged forward fold. Roll your shoulders back, hips on your, hands to your hip. Inhale, bring your chest front, look up, exhale, hinge forward. Release your both hands down to the mat. If possible, crown of your head down on the mat. Slowly inhale, half lift, exhale. Now with this wide-legged, bend your both knees. Goddess pose, Kalyasana, hands to your heart center. Slowly release. Now come to downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Bring your left foot to front of your mat, in between your both hands. Adjust your back foot, right foot in warrior one position. Bring your body up. Bend your front leg, that is left leg. Square up your hip. Both arms up. Breathe. Warrior one. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, warrior two. Gaze over to your left hand. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, slide your right hand along with your right leg. Extend your left arm up to the sky. Reverse warrior. Inhale back to warrior two. Exhale, left elbow on your left knee, right arm up to the sky. If available, over top of your head, palm facing down. Sink deep into your left leg. Side angle pose. Slowly release back to warrior two. Straighten your left leg. Triangle pose. Inhale, bring your body front. Exhale, windmill your left hand inside of your left ankle. Send your right arm up to the sky. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Slowly bring your body up. Adjust your left foot, wide-legged. Send your arms behind you. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hinge forward. If possible, lift your both arms up. Slowly release your arms, place your hands down to the mat and bring your body up. Your feet in hip distance, roll your shoulders back, palm facing front, mountain pose. Little bit relax your shoulders, little bit tuck your chin, close your eyes. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Mountain pose. Tadasana. Now, hands to your hip. Lift your right leg up and send it to side and place your foot either above or below your knee. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Hands to your heart center, Anjali Mudra, or above your head. Slowly, release your hands to your heart center. Place your right ankle just above your left knee. Make a figure 4. Sit in the chair pose. Slowly bring your body up and release your arms. Rotate so bend your right leg. Rotate your arm clockwise direction, thumb facing back, and catch the foot inner edge. From inner edge, left arm up. Inhale, please. Feel free to stay in this pose. If possible, inhale. Exhale, lift your right leg up. Dancer's pose, Natarajasana. Slowly release, right foot down and shake, 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 release. We'll do other side. Feet in hip distance. Hands to your hip. Lift your right leg up to the side and make a tree pose. Either above or below your right knee. Hands to your heart center. Or above your head. Release your hands to your heart center. Place your left ankle above your right knee. Make a figure four. Sit in the chair pose. Slowly bring your body up and dancer's pose. Other side. Bend that leg. Release your arms. Rotate your left or anti-clockwise direction. Catch the foot from inner side. Right arm up. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your right leg up. Slowly release. Release your left foot down. Shake, shake, shake. Lie down on your back. Hug your knees. Gently rock side to side. Give a gentle massage to your back. Happy baby. Rock side to side. Release your feet in hip distance, closer to your glutes. Inhale. Inhale. Bridge pose. Lift your hip, lift your chest. Right shoulders in, left shoulders in. Interlock your fingers. Slowly release. Hug your knees. Final squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yes. Release your feet in hip distance. Extend your arms in T position. Send your legs to right side. Final twist. Gaze over to left side. Inhale, legs back to center. Exhale, over to left side. Gaze over to right side. Inhale, back to center. Hug your knees. Final squeeze. Exhale to Savasana. your feet in mat width, toes facing outwards, arms beside your body. Let your palm face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally curl. Little bit tuck your chin, close your eyes. Surrender your whole body. Relax your muscles. If you have any wrinkles in your forehead, just relax. Stay with your natural breath. Slowly wiggle your